Good day, everybody. Today it's my pleasure to give you a short information about the world changing towards Industry 4.0, smart manufacturing, digitalization of manufacturing, and so on. My name is Volker, and I'm responsible for all the educational activities here in Asia Pacific, and therefore it's a great pleasure of mine to be here at the 10th edition of the DIDAC India exhibition. Industry 4.0, you may have heard, is another catchword like smart manufacturing, digitalization of manufacturing, also IoT. Nowadays, all the different areas are getting constantly merged together, and of course, the big challenge is how to qualify the people for the future. But first of all, let me talk quickly a little bit about Festo, because since 2 years we have also set up our showcase production facility in Germany, Industry 4.0 ready. And in our showcase or flagship production facility, we are focusing not only on the shop floor level, but also on the environmental issues. And this brings not only a huge benefit to the environment, but also brings down our manufacturing costs tremendously. We have, for example, a professional, also based on Industry 4.0, a professional management and energy management system, allowing us to really track and to really record our energy consumption and therefore detect leakages. We detect a lot of opportunities to improve energy efficient systems. So this is something, whatever we learn from our production facilities, is what we try to bring into education as well. Industry is moving rapid ahead, and unfortunately, currently education cannot keep up the pace and the speed of the change in industry, mainly Industry 4.0, digitalization of manufacturing, IoT, smart manufacturing, and also likewise, of course, you have now not only the Internet of Things, we also have Internet of Services, we have Internet of Humans, all wonderfully connected via cyber-physical platforms. I talked about education, I talked about the development within the industry, and of course there will be a lot of new jobs upcoming. For example, cybersecurity. We know that we have to manage cybersecurity. However, at the moment we don't have any proper curricula, we not have any proper job descriptions yet. So this provides a lot of opportunities to create new workplaces in the future. There might be a decrease on employees on the shop floor level. However, what we see in a bit more the industrialized countries is that jobs are changing. I talked about cybersecurity. I talked about energy management. And therefore, I'm also convinced that in the very near future, we have a chief energy officer inside the companies, looking or overlooking the overall energy consumption. And then, of course, we can talk about renewable energies in order to bring down manufacturing costs and furthermore to work on the environment. When we talk about qualification, normally we talk about two different fields. I mean, we need to qualify existing employees. This is what we also had to learn when we built up our showcase manufacturing site in Germany. And of course, the qualification of new employees, which is currently in high demand. As mentioned, industry is moving rapidly. There's a huge speed of development, new technologies, new opportunities, and we need to bring those topics very fast to the education side as well. German government, I can only give one example now, has finally decided additional modules, which is also covering digitalization, which is covering visualization, networking, database topics. So finally, a lot of apprentices can now follow those guidelines. Just recently, just the last 2 days, there was also a very interesting conference in Singapore among the ITE schools, the TVET level, how to also train and qualify the teachers to handle the upcoming technologies, the upcoming opportunities, in order to guarantee that students will still be trained according to industrial needs and requirements, according also to new job requirements. Thank you so much.